I was hit by an 18-wheeler on 55 South, just south of Briarwood. I was in the right lane. He knocked me off the road, totaled my car. A police report was filed. In the police report, he admitted that he was at fault. He didn't see me. Now we cannot find him. His insurance company says that they cannot get in touch with the insurer. So my insurance is now paid for so far a rental car, and also they're going to distribute a check to me for the car. And what is the liability of the other insurance company since he was at fault?
Thank you for your call, Denise.
Well, let me talk first about 18-wheelers, then you can address her question. When you deal with 18-wheeler wrecks, they are not just big car wrecks. You really do need to go to somebody that has had a lot of experience with 18-wheeler or trucking cases, because you have to be very familiar with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations. There's a book about that thick, and it's all the rules and the regulations that the truckers and that the carriers have to follow when they're driving on the roads where the public's involved. And so they have things like they have to be under a certain amount of hours, they have to keep their truck maintained, they have to inspect it, all these things that have to be done before they get on the road to make sure that they are safe and that they're not endangering the public. Because when you have a 20,000-30,000 pound piece of machinery hitting a regular car like you and I have, the results are not pretty, and you got first-hand knowledge. You know now how bad an 18-wheeler wreck is because you said it pushed you off the road. Now, Johnny, what are her options? Because it sounded like she was getting the runaround from the insurance company from the 18-wheeler, and she went after her company. What does she have to do now?
Well, in this situation, you should consult an attorney that can represent you as opposed to trying to go through your insurance company and that insurance company, because they don't want you to find that guy. Because in Mississippi, we don't have a direct action against insurance companies. You have to sue the driver. In this situation, I would probably try to sue the insurance company and make them go find them. Otherwise, I would hire an investigator and try to track this guy down. You should have his basic information like his driver's license number and so forth, and from that information a good investigator should be able to find the guy. You have his name, you can file a lawsuit against him now and then try to get him served, and if you have trouble getting him served, you can get more time to serve him.